Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to contact Ubisoft Support. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Ubisoft application. After that you just need to go and download, of course, when you download the application. But if you have of course struggled with that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Ubisoft videos where you can go and see how you can do this. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So on the left side of the screen we have the home, library, store, and Ubisoft Plus. In the bottom left corner, we have the download manager and the subscribe to Ubisoft Plus in the top right corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and contact the Ubisoft support. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So on Google, go and click on ubisoft.com/ of course your language and of course region, and then /help. Here, as you can see, you have the change your email, unlink your account, disable direct authentication. So a lot of things how they can, of course, help you. So you can reset your password and request a refund and all those things, report a player, which you can, of course, go and click if you have a problem. If you have a problem that is not here, you can go click search for help and type your problem here. And that is how you can then go and contact them. Here you have the all topics, how to receive support, email support, where you can go and also go and click contact us to contact them. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.